UI updates. We've updated the style selection to a menu with separate options for style and style B. This makes it much easier to use. Proxy view, a vital safeguard. Before copying a modifier, make sure to check the view proxy box. This prevents your computer from crashing by limiting the mesh data. A quick note, the final render will show the full, high poly mesh, even if the proxy box is checked. This feature also speeds up performance when adjusting density. New options. We've added a new spike style option, which you can activate with the switch spike style checkbox. We've also added a boundary checkbox for more shape control. Thank you for your support.